Thank you very much, Ango. And thank you to everybody on the platform. Ndisanda hangu presentation yangu ndanga ndichida kuenda kune zvataurwa naMalvin. Ini hangu handisiri mudzidzi welaw futi handiri kunyanyisa kuziva zvakanyanya kuwanda pamusoro pemutemo, asi ndichiita macomparisons pane zvakataurwa naBombshell kubva pekutanga kusvika iye zvine I've been following ma-presentations ake kuti ma-pressers ake. I was a bit skeptical mazuva ekutanga zvichienderera mberi, but inini I was a bit convinced. I was actually convinced as he spoke nezuro ndichiteerera kuti he is so consistent with what he said before, achiitaura nyaya dzekuti he has got inspiration from what the people of Zimbabwe want, and zvaakaita izvozvo has been motivated by zviri kuitika na the current president. Chandakaona chinonyanyotaurwa ende changa chiri pamuromo, anoda kuita zvinhu zvake nenzira dziri muconstitution. Dambudziko ratinaro muZimbabwe nderekuti regime yedu iyi has not been so consistent in following institutional frameworks arimo muZimbabwe. Mutemo bumbiro redu remutemo ragara riri rinotyorwa neZANU-PF pakuru chaipo. Saka kana munhu atedzera mutemo kana kuti anotedzera mutemo, sometimes kukuru ZANU-PF hazvionekwi sezvinhu zvakanyanya kukosha chaizvo. Chekutanga chekuti undermining the authority yapresident, handizivi hangu mungandibatsira pakuti bumbiro remutemo haritipe here right yekuti kana president achinge akuita zvisingaiti tinokwanisa kuva tiri tinoshandisa our constitutional rights to make sure that anokwanisa kuva ava accountable munyika, because my citizens have got ultimate power. When he spoke also about issues to do with nyaya yekuti tinofana kuva tiri tinopinda murodhi, he stressed the fact yekuti tinofana kuva tiri tinoita zvinhu in confinement of the law. Akatopedzera ata nyaya yekuti mapurisa hamufani kuva muri munobata vanhu unless and until kana vanhu vazoita mhirizhonga. Saka ina handioni kuti pane paakareswa pekuti panokwanisa pari panozonzi anokonzeresa kuti paite public disorder, because nyaya inenge iripo ndeyekuti nyaya dzekuda kuti Blessed Geza azonzi nhasi anobatwa nemapurisa and so on and so on. I think it's something that is so historical panyaya dzepolitics dzedu dzemuZimbabwe kuti we have already had situations where any political dissent from within ZANU-PF and also from without ZANU-PF unopedzera wasungwa. Chandisingazoziva hangu ndechekuti is it a choreographed mechanism iri kuitwa ZANU-PF kuita sevada kumubata kuitira kuti vanhu veZimbabwe vasaona kuti zvii zviri kuitika? Handingapazivi ipapo, but in as far as nyaya yekuti Blessed Geza anofanira kuva anoita accountable pane zvaakataura, chokwadi ine handioni chaakadi chakatadza kana kuri kuti mutemo unotedzerwa nezvazviri chaizvo, asi tinongoziva hedu kuti ZANU-PF yakamira sei. Chechipiri uye chiri chekupedzera chandoda kuti nditaure nezvacho ndechekuti I think this is an opportunity for us as progressive citizens to say our political representatives or leadership should now actually come clear to say there are some skeptical people vari kufunga nyaya yekuti no zvimwe zvinhu izvi zvinokwanisa kuva zviri factional or dzimwe dzenguva tokwanisa kuva tiri tinoshandiswa, but if we've got a clear statement also from those that we believe can actually lead us to the struggle and say opportunity iri pano ndeyekuti tinofanira kuva tiri tinota get into the street, especially once he is arrested and he is being dragged into the courts of law. Zimbabweans should really come and rally behind Geza. I think this is a turning point for Zimbabweans to say ndo platform yacho yekutoti tinokwanisa kuva tiri tinodi tinopinda mumastreets machimo zokuzoti hanzi vazodi vazokondena narrative. I think it's going to be something. Let's take this opportunity and as opposition leadership yatinoziva kuti ndiyo inofanira kuva ine vanhu mumashure mayo ngaitewo statement yekuti, because so far I'm heavy, I don't know, maybe it's only myself asati anyatsonzwa kuti opposition what is it saying, save for vana Dr. Tadini neuza dzavo and so on and so on. Saka ngatibatane pamwe chete as Zimbabweans to rally behind Vageza and then things will come right. Like I said before, I used to be so skeptical about it, actually when he came about. Asi tiri kuona kuti momentum ikaendera mberi and we need to come together as Zimbabwe.
And thanks for the opportunity. Yeah, ndanchiti nhasi ndoda kumbozama kutaura neshona idzi nyaya dzedu idzi idzi nyaya dzedu tofanira kusununguka kutaura nerurimi rwamai. Ava mapurisa aya ari kutaura kuti geza wati hakuna zviri kumboitika kuna Geza. I believe you me. Mapurisa very soon mapurisa ari kutorerwa zvese zvainazvo. Ini ndichikuona a repeat of 2017 Uncle Jeza. I was there in Zimbabwe 2017. And you guys don't underestimate what this Geza is. There are a lot of people behind him. And very powerful people are behind him. And I've seen Hanzi ma soldier, Hanzi, they've asked him Mnangagwa to resign. I don't know how far true it is. Kana to my own statement, Hanzi vaudzwa kuti resign mudhara. Exactly zvakaitwa Mugabe. Ndo zviri kutongoitika. And I'm just hoping kuti this time vanhu havachadzidza kuti zvawakaita zvegreediness last time zvekuti chinhu chedu mantra havazi kuzorepeata. And what the police are doing, it's neither here nor there. How many people have done zviri so out of order, but vachiregedzwa wakadaro? How many people have ushered my statements anosungisa but vari kuzanu but vakaregedzwa? How many times has the opposition leadership has been intimidated vachiudzwa mashoko asi tomboripo paconstitution like anotosungisa handiti but hatina kumboona vachitwako those people being called to order. Why now? Because Geza it says started this no to 2030 mantra. Inini hangu that 2030 I'm happy because it's gonna be stopped because it was going to be disastrous kwatiri isusu vana veZimbabwe. So inini ndiri kutoona kuti waMnangagwa pavari is just that atipo. You know, a lot is happening behind the scenes as we speak now. Very soon tichaona another Sibusiso Moyo coming. May his soul rest in peace. Tichamuona achiuya, everything is going to be taken over. Like I said, Kuti, it's going to be the repeat of 2017. And Mnangagwa knows Kuti, this thing is going to happen and it will happen. And whatever Geza was saying, it's very true and correct. Handi makanzwa weeknero achiti ndoda kukupa chakati kuitira kuti anyarare, because they know why they want to silence him. I liked the idea the yashewa kuti hanzi Geza haasi kuda mota kwari zvino, he doesn't want anything. He only wants Mnangagwa to go. He wants vanhu vari kukanganisa the nyika to go. And I think now my war veterans, they've come to realize kuti they've betrayed the struggle, they betrayed the people. This is not what people went to war for. You know, Zimbabwe should be up there, but it's like we are tikungongenga, you know, atingamboti tikungenga pa one place, because one place yachona we are not even there. You know, from the time Yakaenda Smith up to today, we should be very, very far. We should be called a developed country by now, but you are still developing. How many years? 45 years down the line, Zimbabwe is still developing. Vachingoti wene vachiuya nezvima programs nema projects zvisina kana nebasa rese. And now I just want to know Warakashi. I know vari panapa. Warakashi muri kufila sei Warakashi? Especially Warakashi vari kudiaspora vaingobatsira kutunhidza zvinhu zvisina maturo, ivo vachigara kune nyika dzine democracy but vasingadi kuti vana veZimbabwe vawane democracy. I think this is going to be a lesson to all the Warakashis. Now Warakashi vakagara pafence, havasi kuziva hanzi padzinotungana dzemudanga. If you take sides, you don't know what's going to happen. They are running like headless chickens, and I'm so happy. And I hope they are taking a lesson from all this, what is happening, because you can't just praise a government that is failing, you know. Munhu wese is saying kuti ZANU-PF is failing, and I like zvaitaurwa naGeza kuti they've realized kuti they failed as ZANU-PF and they want to involve all the stakeholders, and I hope this time they're going to do it, because last time we were there, isusu as ZCTU were there, MDC Inatsvangirai was there, civil society was there. We were all given the opportunity to say zvataifunga kuti zvingaitire seZimbabwe mberi. We had our paper, MDC had their paper, or everyone had their paper. And what did we see when after we had marched and we were then told kuti chino chedu? So I hope people are watching with the varikuona at a distance, and I know a lot of people are reluctant unless if there is something that is concrete that is going to be maybe drafted to say kuti kana tazodai tichazodai, and it should be spelled out very clearly. Thank you so much.
Yeah, pakaoma the pace at which things are moving, but unogona kupepuka onzwa nyika yaenda kana kuti yakutongwa nemukomana.
But the framing yemhosva dzake idzi muri kuiona sei kuti tatanga kupiwa unza munhu yakatora property yemunhu akatengesa.
I think it's expected, Uncle. It's kind of expected. We actually had the questions, why is he, yesterday, if you remember on the space, panga pani ma questions ekuti how safe is he and why is he not getting arrested or, but what we have thought is nyekupomerwa mhosva. What he does is to obviously open a can of worms to this ZANU-PF, kuti they don't catch people, because I think he actually came achiti ugezani mhosva, he has done this murder. And why was he not arrested back then? So are they confirming then kana uri kuzanu, you are protected from any criminal activities as long as you are one of us, nothing happens. As long as you are towing the line. Once you go out of the line, then we come heavy on you. So what he does, it just exposes and opens a lot of holes to the government. But I think what will be very, very interesting from here is how this is going to pan out. Is he going to actually be arrested? And then if he is arrested, because from the statements aibuda nevamwe vake comrade Edu Geza, it seems it seems that they were not just doing this panje zvekungoti they can just vanhu vekuti you think they are somehow involved in the deep state. So what will be really, really interesting is what is going to happen after this. Do they have the balls to actually arrest him and put him down? And then if he is arrested, what is going to be the fallback? What is going to happen? So I think it's a very interesting place to watch, Uncle.
Nyaya iri kundishamisa maende ekutika pana mukoma vari kuti vari kuita law isu zvedu isiri wekuchera pasi atizemutemo. Pandaida kuti vandibatsire pama-utterances akaitwa anonzani Mahiya Musuya, kuti ma-utterances iwayo zviri pamutemo here, kuti mutemo constitution yenyika inonzi yakasainwa, yatakamboona yakabatwa vachiwenga gore riya vachiti vanoiteedzera vakaibata, kuti hanzi tinogona kuibvarura. Ndaida kuti vatibatsirewo vanhu vanoziva nezvemutemo, because isiwe kuchera pasi angojedzika, hatinawo heduwo zvatinoziva. Nokuti kana kuri kunzi mutemo wakuda kuteedzerwa, handiti mutemo haunei nokuti ndiani ataura. Mutemo unofanira kungoteedzerwa kunzi auteedzera ndiani, autyora ndiani. Saka ndoda kuziva kuti speech yokuti tinobvarura, because hapana kunzi tinoamenda, kwakanzi tinobvarura tonyora imwe. Ndoda kuzivawo ipapo kuti ndizvo zvazvinofanira kunge zvichiitwa here. Uyezve baba vedu vaGeza ava kunzi vane motikari dzavakaba, vakatodziba ipapa here pavakaita puresa izvezvi apa mota idzi? Dzakatobiwa ipapa apa madhezi waya avatanga mapuresa avo. Dzakabiwa rini mota idzi? Uye kana dzakabiwa hadzo mazuva apera atongoti ndo mhosva yacho, zvinofambidzana. Asi kana kuri kuti mota idzi dzakabiwa zvekare, plus mapurisa epadera atibatsira kuti pane mota dzakashayikwa 2017 kana 2018 dzavakaba, dzatiri kuvatsvagira, kana dzakashayikwa musi wechitatu. Tatoziva kuti zviri kufamba sei, nokuti kana mota dziri dzakare zviri kubva zvaexposa futi musangano, kuti kana uri mumusangano unenge uri under the shell, hauna zvaunoitwa chero kati unoda kubvarura constitution, hauna zvaunoitwa. Nondotoona kuti matauriro akaita Mahiya aya dena akazvitaura ari kunze kweZANU-PF angadera akatoshedzwa. Panoda kwokuti ari mukati memongo haabatiki. Saka ipapo ndaida kungotiwo vanoziva zvemutemo vatibatsire, kunyanya wesu vanochera pasi angoti ungobatsirikawo. Ndatenda.
Okay, thank you very much guys for the platform. Maonero angu ndeyekuti polisi iri kungotora stanza yayo yainofanira kutora, as police is supposed to be neutral in this game. Kunyarara kwepolice is also speaking in another way. Kana dai ikanyarara panauya Mdarageza, then that means inenge yatotora side. Because speech yakapiwa nezuro naMdarageza, honestly speaking, when it comes to law, pane pavakataura samwe ipa panoita sokuti vakapara mhosva. And ukada kutotarisa even the code, even the books of the law, kana mhosva ikada kunzi ibude paipai inobuda. Saka polisi ikanzi yanyarara manje, in other words, police inenge yatotaura, inenge ichitoti iri kusupporta. And you know what it means ikanyarara, as it stands right now. Zvinoita sokuti the newly appointed commissioner iyeyu is also in the game. Saka that person is supposed to say something. Akatonyarara ipapapa, in other words, anenge atotaura kuti is supporting what Mr. Geza is saying. Saka to maintain that neutral zone, police is supposed to come up with something. Police is supposed to come up with some allegations, whether stupid or meaningful. But police is somehow supposed to say something, because this is something of the national interest. Everyone is waiting to hear kuti ava vachati chi. Iyi move guy, since the whole thing is just a political game, this is politics dziri kuitika. Another thing, this move guy yaitika yekuda kubata Mdaraka ndeyekuti pakanyatsoonekwa kuti who is behind all these things. Pakada kunyatsotsvaka bhuru manje rinoti kana tikadaiso ndiani achanyatsosimudza musoro kuti move iyi hatisi kuidai. Tobva tanyatsoona kuti chigame ichi chiri kubikwa apa.
Right, guys, nachinzwa wangu mutauri anga achitaura chimanje manje achiti hanzi police commissioner mutsva nedepartment rese repolice raifanira kutaura something so that they appear to be neutral. And I'm like, it must be very interesting because hapana an appearance in neutrality up. The charges in question, particularly in relation to the vehicles, were there before he assumed that office. So if he wanted to be neutral, he should have acted from that point onwards. The mere fact that he waits until something like this, an internal fight, happens to then pursue those charges, that in of itself then tells us that he has already picked a side, and it's clear, it's quite evident which side he has picked. So that talk of neutrality, with all politeness, with all due respect, does not arise here. He cannot be said, he cannot be seen to be neutral. He has picked a side. So hapana neutrality yamuda kutaura pana pavarume. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. The appointment of a superintendent and above, those are political appointments. So neutrality is papa. Because why? Any commissioner nega appoint one president. It's a political appointment. Otopinda politics papa. Politics. That's why you see mama cases opposition. I to handle very fast. And ZANU-PF are handle in a certain peculiar way. So those are political appointments. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you. What this letter that we saw from ZRP tells us is there are two things to it. And I would think at first, at first sight, one would think to say, Tamba, most of the kupomerwa wageza idzi, kunogona kungofuremerwa chete ne-establishment, like what Uncle Jed was saying, to just wear this credibility, so that vanhu vanonzi muri kuda kumobilizwa netsotsi, like takambonzwa ziyambi achiedza kuti bring up a story that Geza had killed a person, and it did not the issue was not properly investigated, so it was like we have to revisit it. I was hoping that we will see it also part of the charges, but it seems they are still putting the skeletons together, or they're still adding the flesh onto the skeletons, trying to come up with all sorts of things. So that's the other side of things, that they realize that the guy is gaining traction. The people are actually following Geza, and the only way that they've thought is, let's throw the fork on the road, let's throw the spanner along the way, so that we say, well, the guy has stolen 3 cars and we are looking for him, and all those sorts of things. The other part of it could be, sure, Geza would have really had some criminal cases that might be resulting into what the police has said, but then they would have kept it as a compromat, a term that was used by the late Dr. Magaisa, where some compromising information can be used to blackmail or discredit or to manipulate someone for political purposes. So it could have been the compromat that they've put aside to make sure that they would use in times like this one. So they would have resorted to this dark arts of blackmailing him and trying to arrest him and so forth. But I think Geza, I don't see the honesty from the police side to say we are looking for. I think we don't expect him 48 hours after his last announcement for the police to have appealed to the public that we are looking for Geza. Like I don't think they have given enough time to look for him, and that speaks so much to me to say, is it really a genuine thing? Because I think they would have done more to look for Geza. They will get him if they really wanted him. But I just have a feeling that the time frame 48 hours, it's less than 48 hours, and then they are appealing to the nation. When did the police did their homework? We don't know. So that's how what I'm seeing. But ultimately, I think this is the beginning. If we look at the 2017 timelines, we see the war veterans, the Matemadanda, the Mahias, and the Mutwangwazi being fired, getting arrested. We have some here and there wachienda kuma-court. So my conviction is not that we are getting at the tipping point, but obviously it's the season. Tapinda season, mind you, officially. We are in the season of activities. We are going to, I think we are going to see different groups coming in support. So they might also use this opportunity to test the resolute of Zimbabweans. How are the people of Zimbabwe resolute stand with the message Yawageza, and also to see who exactly in ZANU-PF is with Geza as well. So it can be, even if they arrest him, that can be the end goal to measure and assess. But they can go as far as prosecuting the whole whatever allegation that they are alleging him to have done. But in that time, we would have so much action than speeches. I think we are getting into the festives of action. That's what I would think. Thank you.
Right. Inini ndakararama nguva yaJesu ndikana ndakanzi Doubting Thomas, because ndichine madoubts kuti pane zviri genuine zviri kuitwa namukoma Blessed Gezava, nekuti script ravo iri takamboriona. Saka ndiri kuona kunge tiri season 2 kana kuti season 3 tichikontinua hedu tiine new main character. So this could be another Sengezo Shabangu ari kungoshandiswa to create my emotions on the sidelines for so many reasons. What could be happening here is kuti, ZANU-PF wants to give us, firstly, they want to give us Chiwenga, but Chiwenga, can't just come in like that. He has to come in the way he came in 2017 through possibly a coup. Could come in through another one, which they don't want because that will completely destroy the economy. And there's so many other negative factors that will come in with that. Saka, what they may want to do is to pre-advertise Chiwenga. This could be a deal between Chiwenga and Trabablas himself. So, and then they introduce a character like Blessed Geza. He does the dirty work, just say all the dirty things about Mnangagwa. There's nothing new that Blessed Geza is saying about Mnangagwa that people of Zimbabwe don't know. So he's simply repeating what the opposition has always been saying, what everyone else here has been saying, what everyone in Zimbabwe has been saying. Saka, there's nothing new. But ZANU-PF makes you feel kuti he's saying something very new. This is going to, bring change. So there's no actual change that Geza wants to bring. Geza wants to bring in, if my suspicion is right, wants to bring in Chiwenga. He's a stooge where the whole of the ZANU-PF institution, it is the central, central whatever, the central Jigwe, central committee member, and so on and so on. He's being used, he's playing a role, and what we may see is kuti arikungoshandiswa kudraw my numbers towards Chiwenga, and once the people are behind Chiwenga, like what's actually happening now, then Chiwenga can come in, and then the world will see kuti Chiwenga this time is not coming through a coup, and he may be acceptable to the world. and that may be acceptable for the economy. This is what ZANU-PF wants. And then we may have a bit of, a slight change. But for me, that doesn't bring the change we want, because Chiwenga is a soldier, came in through a coup. He has to, renounce himself and the army from the government, and then Zimbabwe can move on. We do not want a Zimbabwe that will be, itwa saizvozvo kuti pane tunoitwa makuu. We will become a Nigeria, which we have slowly become. Kuti you have years of stagnation due to my coups, my military generals, running the country. This is where we are being led to. So Geza is a character. Those of you who know how the police and the army handle my opposition voices in Zimbabwe will know that by now, Geza angadai akatosungwa dai ari munhu ari genuine. Ari kuita genuinely oppose Mnangagwa. Angadai akasungwa. Police don't advertise themselves. They don't announce themselves. But we are looking for Geza. He's wanted for this and that. Kana uri genuinely doing something, feel like it is a threat, they will arrest you and then investigate after. This is how opposition leaders have been treated. And this is exactly the same things that he is saying are exactly the same things that were said by Job Sikala. And Job Sikala lasted close to a total of 500 days in prison for saying almost the same things that Geza is saying now. But Geza has gone on for almost a year now, and nothing has happened to him. And to me, when we're conspiracies, I feel good. As Zimbabweans, we are being sold Chiwenga so that we can accept Chiwenga. Mnangagwa, ukamunzwa ma-statements anotaura, he's someone who is being prepared. Ari kuti prepare kuti, pamberi apa panogona kuzongoaccepta kuti aiwa Chiwenga haora, saka ngavachingopinda, Chiwenga otopinda. And then tinenge tajutwa isusu for accepting a military general akatiunzira coup muZimbabwe as our, preferred leader. And that's not our preferred leader. Given a choice, Zimbabweans would not want Chiwenga to assume power. Zimbabweans would want someone else, a progressive, much younger, maybe 47 years now, maybe asina political party. I think ndo kunenge kwakarerekera chido chemaZimbabweans. So handina chandiri kunyanya kubvuma hangu zviri kuitwa naGeza apa. What we may see is kuti after I create attraction iyoyi, you may hear kuti aita flee to South Africa or aita flee to another country, apedza basa rake otoenda ikoko, then all that emotion yaacreata iya and support yaacreata yotosara in the hands of the right person, wanga achida kuti ave that kind of support from the people, because Chiwenga haadiwi anyone just like Mnangagwa. So they have to create that space for him through a character like Geza. So muchanza kuti Geza amhanya aenda kuSouth Africa niye mhosva dziri kutaurwa idzi inyaya dzinogona kunge dziripo, but dziri kutaurirwa kuti vacreate room yekuti atize, atiza, then vochisara vochiita zvavaroda kuita. Anyway, regai ndigumire pa, but like I said, inini ndiri doubting Thomas. I doubt very much anything zvinoitwa neZANU-PF kuti zvinotunza progress as maZimbabweans. ZANU-PF knows what it has done to us, and they are trying as much as possible to distract us from that and give us and sell us their own leaders and their own opposition. They want to sell to us as Zimbabweans. But at the end of the day, we'll still get the rotten ZANU-PF system of running the country. Thank you so much.